Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Clean your inbox in Yahoo Mail means reducing clutter, improving organization, and making your email experience more efficient. It's about getting rid of the digital mess that builds up. You're aiming for a clearer, more manageable main inbox view. To do this, start by deleting old, unneeded emails. Think promotions you never opened, newsletters you stopped reading, or messages from years ago. Don't hesitate to hit delete. Next, unsubscribe from mailing lists that no longer serve you. This stops future unwanted emails from even reaching your inbox, a powerful way to prevent clutter. For important emails you want to keep but don't need daily, use the archive feature. This moves them out of your main view without deleting them. Organize the emails you do want to keep. Create folders for specific topics or senders. This makes finding information much faster. Finally, empty your spam and trash folders regularly to permanently remove unwanted messages and free up storage. A clean Yahoo Mail inbox means less stress, quicker access to what matters, and a more productive email routine. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference in your daily digital life.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.